Fast. Shawty claiming that she got me red-handed, cheating with the girl next door. Squeeze. Tell me what you never do. Make she follow me go.
Today I'm gonna try on a unit that I have never tried on before, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Let's do a quick checklist, you guys. Make sure you're subscribed. 1. All right. 2. Leave a comment down below. 3. Like this video. All right. Only if you want to, of course. So yeah, thanks so much for joining me, you guys. Today's unit is quite different. All right, it is quite different. So for me, all right, the headband wigs have been the craze, all right, for the past couple of months, all right, since, you know, it's been shared that, you know, there's a shortage on lace. I know I reviewed the hat wig a couple of videos ago, and so yeah, I'm bringing you now the headband wig, all right, which is quite new for me because I don't typically wear my hair like this, but this company reached out to me, so I thank this company for sending me this unit to review on my channel. I don't know how to pronounce this company's name. Cossaro? C-O-S-S-A-R-O. All right, and this is 100% human hair, you guys, and you saw that it is attached to a headband, and so it really took me like 5 minutes to put on, honestly. And the headbands that it came with were pretty darn cute. All right, they came with a pink one, and then it came with a black and white polka dot one, which is this is me right here. This polka dot is me. Okay, and so yeah, the hair quality is really really good. Headband wig, curly human hair, no lace to cut, none of that to fool with. Alright, it's 150% density. Alright, it's a natural color, and the length is 14 inches. So if you are all about affordable hair, if you are all about convenience, if you are all about looking cute in 5 minutes or less, get this headband wig. Okay, now I don't know how to, it came with the black headband, and then of course it came with the black and white, and so I can't hide the black headband. So, but I think it looks cute with it still like this, right? I got my side edges out. Okay, so it can be a little bit more realistic. Yeah. Okay, my side edges are out. Okay. And so yeah, I used conditioner and water just to spray my hair. I used my detangler because I like the really poofy look, you know what I mean? I like the really very short, very to the point. I want to thank this company again for sending this unit out to me for a review. Alright, so I can bring these affordable slays to you. I'll see you in another video, alright? Take care.